Now our next case is VT graph for non uniformly deaccelerated motion. स्ट्रेट लाइन थी मतलब यूनिफॉर्म डीएक्सिलरेशन था, यहाँ स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है, कभी ज़्यादा डीएक्सिलरेट हुआ कभी कम डीएक्सिलरेट हुआ, तो दिस इज नॉन यूनिफॉर्म डीएक्सिलरेशन मोशन. नाउ one thing we have to note, what major thing, कि area, for finding area between a curve will gives us the distance covered. यानी एक ग्राफ का अगर हमें निकालना है कितना डिस्टेंस कवर हो रहा है तो हम उस ग्राफ का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. नाउ सपोज वी हैव टू फाइंड टोटल डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल बिटवीन अ बॉडी फ्रॉम टाइम t2 टू t1. यहाँ पर कितना डिस्टेंस ट्रेवल हुआ, तो सपोज दिस वी हैव टू फाइंड. व्हाट विल फाइंड, विल फाइंड एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ABC. Here, where is the triangle ABC? This one is the triangle ABC plus area of rectangle ACED. What will find? Area of triangle half into base into height. Base will be T2 minus T1. Height will be V2 minus V1. Plus here, velocity is V1 and time is T2 minus T1. This is velocity and time is T2 minus T1, and we will get the area. Here, suppose this is one question from the information given in the xt graph. This is st, here is s, here is t. Very good. Which of the following body, A or B, will be more faster? Acha, A and B are two bodies. Okay, we'll check here. We'll draw like this. So here, suppose distance cover is s1, time is t1. ठीक. Here distance cover is s2 and time is t2. Here we know that कि distance upon s1 upon t1 and here is s2 upon t2 is speed. s1 is greater, t1 is small, and hence this will be greater, so we can say speed or velocity of A will be greater than speed or velocity of B. Now what we'll do, Newton had given 3 equations of motion. Now we have to derive that equation. First equation is V equals to u plus at. That means final velocity equals to initial velocity plus acceleration into time. Second equation was s equals to ut plus half at square. And third equation was v square minus u square equals to 2as. So these are the 3 equations. Now we have to derive it. First we will derive it with the method of graph, that is we call graphical derivations. Now here we have a graph. For all the 3 derivation you have to follow the same graph, that is VT graph. Y-axis denote V and x-axis denote T. This is a graph of an object is going from initial velocity A, from position A to position B. Now what we need to find, acceleration. Acceleration for this graph basically is the change in velocity, yani per change in time, yani V2 minus V1 upon T2 minus T1. So T2 minus T1 will be delta T, since it is starting from 0. V2 minus matlab V minus U, because V2 is V and initial velocity is U. Now what will get, V minus U upon T and V equals to U plus AT. This will be our first derivation. Second, we have second equation of motion, s is equals to ut plus half at square. This is our second equation. Same graph is there. Find area of trapezium again. That will be area of rectangle plus area of triangle. Then rectangle length into breadth, triangle half into base into height. We'll put its value, we'll get another equation. Third, we have v square. Again we have to find area of trapezium. This time you use direct formula of trapezium, that is area of trapezium is sum of parallel side half into sum of parallel side into height. This will use, and what will get here is u plus v sum of parallel side into time upon 2, but this time can be represented at v minus u upon a, and a plus b into a minus b will get v square minus u square. This will be our required equation.